When working with heavy equipment, always be certain that all safety rules and guidelines are followed in order to protect you and anyone else in the area. Do not permit anyone to stand alongside trench being excavated. Check all component hinge pins and their securing devices often. Be sure outriggers are properly extended before starting operations. Observe extreme caution when operating under low overhead obstructions. Observe extreme caution when excavating where there may be underground wires and pipes. Always use warning signs and proper control procedures when working on roads or streets. Never perform service or repairs on equipment that has not been properly blocked and secured. Travel at safe operating speed. When mounting or dismounting the equipment or trucks, always use the three-point method. When operating or working around heavy equipment, always be sure to wear the following: hard hat, protective goggles, gloves. These safety rules and personal protection equipment are in place to protect you and the people you work with. Please be sure to follow them at all times. In this lesson, you will learn the proper way to unload a bulldozer from the rear. For this task, you will need the following tools and equipment: bulldozer, trailer, ramps, blocks, chains, load binders. Let's now go through the steps you will need to follow to complete this task. After putting on all of your personal protective equipment, place the blocks appropriately and lower the ramps. Then, remove the load binders, chains, blocks, and plastic bag and tape off the exhaust pipe. After starting the bulldozer, select low reverse gear, raise the blade gently, and start moving backwards.
They decided since they were jump starting their career.
Continue moving backwards cautiously to the end of the trailer while aligning the bulldozer with the ramps. Raise the blade and attachments, then continue moving very cautiously over the center of gravity. Move the dozer completely off the ramps and away from the trailer. Raise the ramps on the trailer and remove the blocks.
Okay.
You have now completed the steps necessary for this job sheet. If you have any questions, please speak with your instructor and then review this program in its entirety.